Good evening, Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I came out here to make a quick video, show you guys I made another cash out on branded surveys. And for those of you who don't know about branded surveys, it's a survey company where you can take surveys. You can also do multiple tasks. And down here you can answer a poll that will just answer random questions. And you submit your answer and you get 5 points. That's basically 5 cents. And once you make up to 1,000 points, you can cash out $10 to your PayPal. And over here we have different surveys you guys can take. I personally do the offertorial because I do the coupons. And those give you 18 points. That's basically 18 cents a day. And that can help you get up to your cash out faster. And over here are the payment options. You have cash. You can cash out to PayPal. You can cash out to your bank, branded pay. You can do a donation. And there's also other tons of gift cards as well. And this is going to be, I believe, my fourth cash out on branded surveys. And a little tip, when you guys do the surveys, don't skip any surveys. Make sure you answer them honestly and give the correct information. And when you sign up, make sure you sign up with an email address that matches your PayPal account. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys proof that I cashed out to $10. 1,000 points on branded surveys is $10. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will leave my referral link below. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it. And I also would like for you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I make future videos. I'm going to be making more videos on branded surveys just to keep you guys updated on my cash outs. My next cash out is going to be 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $20. I'm going for the higher payout only because I know I can do it. It's going to take me up to 2 weeks. I would give yourself a week to cash out $10 just because it'll give you more time to work the surveys. And also remember, when you guys first start, you're going to have a little pending thing up here. That basically means when you complete a survey, it's going to go into your pending. Pending points basically means they're going to be pending for 2 weeks straight until branded surveys can prove that you guys actually completed the survey. And once they get approved, it'll go into your approved balance, and it takes up to 2 weeks, 14 days for you guys to get your pending status to be approved. So just a little reminder. And I cash out to PayPal every time I get to my 1,000 points. So branded surveys is a great site. I really recommend it to everyone that is interested in taking surveys. I'm now a gold member, which means I get a percentage of what my referrals make. And I believe my cash out is still 1 to 2 business days. I'm not sure. I will have to look into that. But I just wanted to show you guys that I made another $10 on branded surveys. If you're interested, I would like for you guys to click the link in the description, sign up, and get started making your $10 payments as well.